It's been another wild month in the world of crypto. The SEC filed lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase, and there are legitimate questions arising about the future of crypto in the United States. This has all had a big impact on the price of certain cryptocurrency assets, so that's why we're back with another price update video. Keep watching to learn how the prices of BTC, ETH, SOL, and BNB have evolved over the past month, and for details on what could happen moving forward. Bitcoin. Bitcoin has held up surprisingly well to the news of two of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges being sued by the SEC. It's remained in the same range since around March. The price is close to $26,000 as of the time of creating this video. Bitcoin was not named as a potential security in either of the SEC's lawsuits, which may be why its price has held up relatively well. But at the same time, BTC is lagging behind traditional markets significantly. Major tech stocks are making new all-time highs, whereas Bitcoin has struggled to even approach $30,000. This relative weakness compared to traditional finance could be a sign that we still have a ways to go before the crypto bull market can officially resume. Plus, if the stock market goes through a correction, Bitcoin may drop by more than we expect. Don't be surprised to see it test the $22,000 range within the next month. Ethereum. Ethereum has also held up relatively well to the bad news in the SEC lawsuits. It wasn't listed as a security in either court filing and has held around the 1750 mark for the last several weeks. Our analysis of Ethereum is very similar to our analysis of Bitcoin. Like BTC, Ethereum has remained resilient despite broader sell-offs in the crypto market. But its relative weakness to technology stocks and traditional financial markets could be a sign that it may be due for a downturn soon. If Ethereum breaks below the current range lows of around 1730, then it wouldn't be surprising to see it test the $1,500 range within the next month or so, especially if traditional financial markets go through any type of correction between now and then. Solana. So, unfortunately, that's all the good news that we have for this video. The next asset on our list, Solana, has not had a good month at all. It was named in the SEC's lawsuit as a security, which has sent the price of SOL tumbling to the downside. As of the time of creating this video, the price of SOL is about $15. That's down nearly 30% in the last month, and the lowest price we've seen on Solana since the beginning of the year. The question is, when will the bleeding stop? And that's a tough one to answer, especially since these SEC lawsuits could take years to resolve. For now, your best bet may be to stay away until we get some better sense on how receptive the court system will be to the SEC's security allegations. It's not a bad price to begin accumulating SOL, but with an active lawsuit going on, the potential for bad news and sharp price drops will always be there with this crypto asset, which makes it a risky investment. BNB. BNB has not had a great month either. It's the native crypto asset of the Binance exchange and smart chain, which means it was hit hard when the SEC levied its charges against Binance and its founder. Currently, the price sits around $245, which is about 20% lower than it was 2 weeks ago before the SEC filed the lawsuit. Some crypto traders on Twitter have reported strange price action with BNB in recent days as well. There are signs that Binance and its founder, CZ, may be trying to artificially keep the price high to avoid liquidation. These are just rumors and not confirmed, but there's enough smoke here that you should probably stay away until we get more clarity. Buying at these prices is an even riskier decision than purchasing Solana, given the strange price action and the SEC's allegation of fraud against Binance. So, there you have it. The bottom line is that the two blue-chip crypto assets, BTC and ETH, are holding up well, but could test their range lows soon. SOL and BNB, on the other hand, are involved in active lawsuits and relatively risky assets to invest in for the time being. Which of these assets do you think will perform best in the coming months? Comment your answer below to let us know. And don't forget to tune in next time for another episode of the Metaverse Memo. Thanks for watching.